Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 5. This is lesson number 9, nervous system part 3. In the previous two videos we have studied about the human nervous system. In that we have seen the different parts like brain, then brain in detail. We have seen its part cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla, and spinal cord, nerves and reflex action we have completed. So in today's video we will see what are sense organs. Okay, sense organs make us aware of our surroundings. Sense organs gives us the information about our surroundings. Okay, there are 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So let's see these sense organs in detail. First one, eyes. Our eyes are like TV cameras. They send images of the world around us to the brain. The brain interprets these pictures and tells us what we see. So eyes are like the cameras. They send the images as we have studied in the structure of brain, that I send the messages to the brain and brain gives the instructions. So what is the picture and tell us what we see. Okay, we will be able to identify the things through the eyes by sending the message to the brain, and we get instruction from the brain. So this is the structure of eye. You see, this is our eye structure. So here you can see different layers. So these are the parts of our eye. Here you can see eyelashes above the eyes. Eyelashes, they help to stop dust getting into the eyes. Okay, here this part is optic nerve. This is iris, and this is cornea, and this part inside this blue part, it is pupil. It is the black spot in the front of the eye. It is actually a circular opening through which light enters the eye. Okay, then here is the next lens, retina. It is the light sensitive inner lining at the back of the eye where images are formed. So this is at the retina, actually images are formed. Here from the pupil light enters, and at this lens, retina, here the images are formed. So these are the things which are present, the parts which are present on the eye. Eyelid, okay, eyelid and eyelashes. This is optic nerve. This is iris. What is iris? The black circle which will be present in our eye. It is the colored part of the eye that surrounds the pupil. It controls the size of the pupil, thus managing the amount of light that enters the eye. And from the pupil, light enters, and at the retina, image is formed. So this is the structure of eye, you can see. Now we will see, as eyes are very important sense organ, how to take care of our eyes. Sit upright while reading. So it means do not read by lying down. Keep your books about 12 inches away from your eyes. Do not read in a dim light. Make sure that your shadow does not fall on the book while you read. Okay, so these are the some rules and some tips to take care of your eyes. Sit 6 feet away from the television. When you are watching TV, you should sit 6 feet away. Do not watch too much TV. Do not spend much time playing games on the computer. Wash your eyes with clean water. Okay, these are some tips to take care of your eyes. Next sense organ is ear. We use our ears to sense sound. To hear sounds, we use ear. They also help us to maintain our balance. Care of ears. How to take care of ears? Do not clean your ears with sharp objects like pins or pencils, or do not insert into the ear. Okay. Keep the ears clean and dry. Okay. Next sense organ is nose. Here structure of nose is given. Here we can see inside the nose nerve bundles. Here this is the nose which we can see on our face. This is nasal cavity, from where we breathe in the air. for the breathing. Nasal cavity, nose and nerves bundle. So there are nerve ending. There are nerve ending on the upper part of the nose. These nerves are connected to the brain and help us to detect different smells. To identify the different smells, these nerves help us to smell. When we have a cold, the nerve endings in the nose get blocked and smell does not reach there. That is why we cannot smell things when we catch a cold. When we are suffering from cold, we cannot smell the things because these nerves will be blocked because of the cold. The nose has tiny hair and mucus that prevents dust and germs from entering the lungs. Now, how to take care of the nose? Keep the nostrils clean. Do not put objects into the nostrils. Breathe through the nose, not through the mouth mostly. Next sense organ is tongue. Let's see the parts of the tongue. Actually, on the tongue, some taste buds are present. You can see when you observe your tongue in the mirror, you can see these dots like these, all the dots you can feel on your tongue. So actually these are tasting buds. So different tasting buds gives us different taste whatever we eat. If we eat some things which is giving bitter taste, so our tasting buds which are present at the back, they make us feel that the thing is better, bitter. The things which we are eating, that is bitter. Then sour taste is given by this tasting buds which are present at the middle of the tongue. Then salty taste these buds can give, and at the tip of the tongue we can feel the sweet substances. You can observe, you can apply it by eating the sweets and salty things. The where are you getting the taste of that particular thing? The tongue is a muscle that help us to speak. Okay, tongue is actually a muscle that help us to speak. We can swallow through the tongue and we can taste. Okay, the tongue has sensory structures called taste buds. So these are the taste buds which I have shown. It can detect 4 types of taste. How many types of taste we can feel? Bitter, sour, salty and sweet. Taste buds have nerve endings that carry taste messages to the brain. So these taste buds, they take the message of anything what we eat to the brain. Then brain gives the instruction whether the thing is sweet or salty or sour or bitter. Okay, while brushing your teeth, you should also clean the tongue with the help of a tongue cleaner. So we should keep our tongue clean as it is important sense organ. Next sense organ is skin. Skin is the outermost covering of our body. It has nerve endings that help detect heat, cold, pain, pressure and texture. Okay, by the skin we can see hot and cold feeling, or pain also we can feel. It protects the internal organs. Yes, skin protects our complete body, our internal organs. The tiny pores on the surface of the skin allow removal of body waste. Through the sweat, our skin removes the body waste. Okay, next, how to take care of your skin? Keep your skin germ free by washing or bathing with soap and clean water. Always wear clean clothes. Use sunscreen lotion to protect the skin from sunburns. When you are going directly to the sunlight, hot sun, you have to apply sunscreen to your skin to protect it from the sunburns. Okay, children, these are our sense organs and their details. So here we have completed our lesson. This is, here we can see the summary of the lesson, then word bank, words for practice. Okay, then textbook exercises are there. After that, words for practice, question answers, all the textbook exercises you have to complete. Write neatly in your notebooks. Only question answers and words for practice you have to write in the classwork, and other all exercises which are given in the textbook you have to write in textbook itself. Do not write textbook exercises in the notebook. In notebook only question answers and words for practice. So complete your notes from lesson number 9, which I am forwarding the PDF. Okay, then inshallah next week we will start new lesson. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.